if this question is still in your mind, being a beginner, can I be fluent in English? First of all, I don't want to say anything. I just want you to watch my video which I recorded 3 years ago.
From my name is Yashoda, and Lodhi is our caste, so my name is Yashoda Lodhi, and I'm I'm 28 years old, and I'm not from, my background is not from very rich. I'm from very poor family, and you can see my house, and we are live here in rent, on rent. It's not our house, it's not a house, and this is my kitchen side, and where I'm sit, it's my bed, and I make videos for my English practicing, and yeah, I'm I'm 28 years old, and I'm married. I have completed my graduation from Kanpur.
Now, what do you think? Can I be a fluent English speaker? Can I speak English fluently? Can I speak English effortlessly and that too efficiently? That was my goal. 3 years, that's the way I used to speak English. And right now, you can consider it where I am or what is my level. Earlier, I used to make lots of mistakes. Earlier, I used to shiver a lot. Earlier, I used to fumble a lot. However, something was there deep inside me which helped me, which pushed me each and every single day, and because of which I am here. So, if you are the one who is hesitating from starting your English language learning and speaking journey, so just watch this video and get some inspiration from that video. If a village lady, if a villager can speak English, can start her journey from the scratch, from the very beginning, and can be fluent in English language, then why can't you? The decision, the ball is in your court. What do you want to do? 3 years ago, I was just like you, just like a homemaker. But something hit me, a thought hit me hard, and it made me to take a decision for myself because I wanted to do something in my life. I never wanted to sit idle just like homemakers who have lots of excuses for doing something productive in their life, especially for developing themselves, for their self growth. But I wanted to work for my self growth. I wanted to be independent, financially independent, and I wanted to do something out of the box. I took the decision, and only taking decision was not the only thing which has helped me. Along with that, putting efforts, working on my English, working on my grammar concepts, working on my listening practice, reading practice, and writing as well. So all in all steps, each and every steps which I took, which I have taken so far for learning English language, for improving the mistakes, each and every aspect has helped me, and the same thing will definitely help you. No matter you you take those efforts cautiously or subconsciously. Sometimes it happened, we have to take the cautious effort consciously, but sometimes when we get accustomed to a habit, then it happens automatically, subconsciously. Okay, so my goal was just to be fluent in English language. So now you have to tell me, what do you think of myself? Have I reached my goal? I know that I haven't reached, I haven't got the fluency so far. It is still on the way, but at least now I can say I am fluent in English. Because for me, fluency doesn't come from only speaking too fast. If my pace is too, if my pace is moderate, or I can express my thought before anyone without any struggle, without any hesitation, without having that feeling of embarrassment, then yes, I am fluent at all. I don't want to compare myself with those who has been learning this language for 10 years, for 5 years, for 11 years, for 12 years, because they have been learning, they have spent lots of time as compared to me. Then I would rather focus on myself than comparing myself with others. So this should be your goal. The day, the very first day when you start your journey, when you start recording yourself, don't compare yourself with others. If you really want to compare, then just keep working on this journey, and after 1 year, after 2 year, you can compare yourself with yourself, with the earlier version of yourself. And this thing will definitely motivate you. It will give you lots of confidence, and it will give you courage as well to be consistent on this journey. And whenever I go through my previous videos 3 years ago, the way in which I used to speak, the kind of way I used to walk, I used to speak with strangers as well. So now I feel, yes, I started my journey from the scratch, and I worked on it each and every single day, and I have achieved this much so far in terms of learning English language learning journey. Or it's not the only thing. This journey has given me many things. This journey has given me many unforgettable moments as well. I don't want to say this journey will not give you anything. Just start your YouTube channel, start posting your videos on your YouTube channel, and don't feel shy. Don't feel shy that you are a beginner. Every person, every great leader starts their journey from zero. So, from the beginning, from the scratch. So, you are also supposed to do that. And if this question is still in your mind, being a beginner, can I be fluent in English? Then, of course, go again, watch my video from the beginning, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about yourself. Can you achieve this much fluency within 3 years, within 2 years, or not? It's totally up to you. You can be more advanced speaker as compared to me if you will do lots of practice, if you will give your 100% to this language, because I don't want to say that I have given my 100%. I had many things to do, and still I have many things to do. Sometimes I feel bad about my life. Sometimes I become nostalgic. So all in all, I have many things as a distraction. However, I just try to overcome all of them. So I don't want to make this video really very big for all of you, because I just want you to do something. Get out of your comfort zone. If you are a homemaker, if you are a somebody who wants to learn this language for a very long time, but still you are just hesitating, then stop hesitating. Hesitation will not give you anything. It will not pay you off. If you really want to do something, then you have to push the envelope, and you will have to kick off your journey from today onwards. You have to set off your journey today onwards, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.